May the gains be with you, my young Padawan.
Grandmaster-obi, Jedi Knight of the stock market.
What's going on, YouTube family and friends? Welcome back to the channel. And what we came to talk about here in today's video is no other than ACHR. And if you're still holding the stock, you may want to listen to what I have to say here in today's video. It's very vital for Monday's trading. And as you all know, today we did actually reach and breach our $9 price target. And it seems as though that $11 price target that we have set may actually be reached and breached early on Monday's trading. Stick around, I'm going to explain to you guys why. Also, we're going to take a brief look and check out KULR. This is a stock you do not want to miss out on next week, ladies and gentlemen. And if you were a part of our Discord server, then you actually caught this alert in real time. In fact, I alerted KULR for the entry price of 87 cents early this morning, for that first price target being 95 cents plus. After reaching and breaching that, we set another price target at $1.25 plus. And if we take a brief look and check out the price action, as you guys can see here, we did reach and breach both price targets, ultimately hitting a high of $1.40. But wait, there's more. This thing does have more room to run, and the likelihood of a short cover to take place here on Monday alongside ACHR. So let's talk about it. An extremely important reminder: I will be going live Monday, 8:15 a.m. Central Time, which is 15 minutes before the market open. We will be analyzing ACHR and its short cover potential. Also, we're going to take a brief look at DJT, DXY, and many other stocks. And like I said before, guys, you can bring other stocks to the live stream, and I will analyze them for you in real time. So, see you then. And the first stock we're going to talk about here in today's video, and that is KULR. And for those that did make money off of the alert today, can you please comment in the comment section below the words "easy money made"? Now, today's aftermarket price action does come with slight concern, but not much. And that slight concern comes from this mid-Bollinger Band cross. Yes, we did make a recovery from that, ladies and gentlemen, but we are playing it pretty close. With that being said, with today's volume only being 79 million due to the half day of trading, we still do expect to see a massive short selling day for sure here for KULR. But with that retracement here in the aftermarket hours, if we do cross that mid-Bollinger Band here early off in tomorrow's pre-market trading, then the ball will return in short court, which can give them the opportunity to hold on those short positions just a little bit longer, ultimately pitting a halt on KULR's short cover situation here for Monday's trading. But with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to take a brief look and check out ACHR here really quickly, and we're going to come right back to KULR for our Monday price prediction. Now, as you all know, we did actually reach and breach the $9 PT here this day, last day of the week. Like I told you guys, be looking for that $9 price target end of the week. We slightly broke that at that $9.84. We didn't see those $11 levels like we hoped for, but that isn't all bad. In fact, ladies and gentlemen, looking at that 60.5 million in volume coming off of yesterday's 62, steady stream in volume, and looking at that capital trend pointing to more covering going on here. But for one moment, do not think that today wasn't a very aggressive short selling day for ACHR. You have to take into consideration, ladies and gentlemen, Wednesday, a full trading day, we got a total volume of 62 million. Today, a half trading day, 60.5 million in total trading volume. So an incredibly high trading day for ACHR, and that is why I feel as though that we're going to see an aggressive short sale ratio backed by a high total short volume. Now, those numbers aren't going to be as high as the Monday breakout day here, but I do feel as though that today's short sale analysis will be key for the short cover wave to take place here on Monday's trading. Now, the reason why ACHR may find itself in a gamma squeeze situation here next week, and that is if we cross those double digit levels. Now, we can see small gamma squeezes take place heading into the January 17 expiration. As you all know, a huge anticipation around that date for ACHR as well as GameStop. If we take a brief look and check out our $10 strike here for expiration of next week, as you guys can see here, that $10 strike here on our calls. Sorry about that. And if you made it this far in the video, can you please do me one huge favor? Smash that like button and leave a comment in the comment section below that you have made it this far in the video. Something simple like made it this far. You guys know how we do. But looking here at the 12:06 expiration, $10 strike for calls, currently out the money. And as you guys can see here, that open interest currently sits here at 3,000. Now keep your eyes out on this. I do expect for this open interest here on this strike price to increase incredibly high here next week. But far as our January 17 calls, ladies and gentlemen, we're looking at that $15 strike here for ACHR currently. I do feel as though that this thing may get as high as 40,000 the closer we get towards the expiration. Now, with that being said, ACHR does have a much lower share float than its current total share count, which means the company is in a perfect position to initiate a offering. We've seen this happen recently with GameStop, with the company taking the opportunity to secure a decent amount of cash on hand due to the fluctuation in share price. So let's say ACHR see a major breakout day to $20 levels, then the company may consider selling about 100 million shares to the open market for about $17 at a discount, giving them a better opportunity to maximize their profit on that offering, which is ultimately going to drop the share price drastically just off of the news and off of the dilution effect. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, keep your eyes out on that taking place here in ACHR, because I do feel as though that they're going to pull that move. Their products that they make, ladies and gentlemen, aren't cheap, okay? They're gonna need cash on hand, just like any startup company that is in a huge, costly products such as EVs, guys. You see what's going on with EVs. It's going to be the exact same thing in this space. They're going to need to raise money, so look out for those dilution phases for sure. But I do think they're gonna have a offering pretty early, either at the end of this year or early off next year, especially with the huge increase in interest in the shares. Now back to KULR. I'm going to come back to ACHR and give you guys my Monday price prediction for this as well. But looking here at this current retracement here in the aftermarket hours, like I said before, this does come with slight concern. But with that huge volume trading day here, off of a half a day, ladies and gentlemen, we do expect again a heavy total short volume. Now with this slight retracement, all it does take is a slight spark in price, which will start to close the window on those profitable short positions, which can ultimately cause a domino effect and thus the short cover wave take place. We want to see KULR open above $1.20, and we may see a result of that, this thing actually reaching those $1.70 levels here on Monday. That's my price prediction. And back to ACHR, if you're currently holding this thing, I got great news for you, because the short cover likelihood for ACHR is currently better than KULR's, just off of that aftermarket price action. Not only that, the huge volume trading day speaks volumes, no pun intended. But with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, expect to see a huge short sale ratio off of this half of day of trading. But price prediction here for Monday, as you all know, $11 $4. We got the end of the week price prediction correct, and I do feel as though that this one is going to hit well too. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to let you guys go, and may the gains be with you. Click the video that you see on the screen to be notified when Monday's live stream starts.